Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to show you how you can back up your folders to your online Google Drive. And again, it's another three-step process. First is we're going to make a folder to back up our stuff. Then we're going to move all the files that we want into that folder. And then we are simply going to upload that folder to our Google Drive online. Alright, so first step, create the folder. Right-click anywhere on your desktop, go down to New, and go to Folder. I would label this Laptop Backup, and I would also include the date in case you do this multiple times. And then don't forget to press Enter to apply the name to the folder. Alright, so step 1 is complete. We made our folder. Step 2, alright, I'm going to move all my stuff into it. So there's two ways you can go about this. You can simply click and drag your folders, or your items into your folder, and that doesn't matter if it's on the desktop. It doesn't matter if you go to your documents and you can click and drag the individual file into it, or you can move an entire folder into that backup folder. Now just remember though, if I do the click and drag move method, it is actually taking my files and moving them. So if it was in the documents folder, it's no longer there. It's now in the new folder that I created. So that's up to you. If you don't want it to be moved and you like it where it is, then you don't want to click and drag. You want to use option number 2, which is you can copy and paste it. So I could find a file that I want, and then I can right click on that and simply copy it. I can go into my backup folder, I can right click and then paste, and it just makes a duplicate document in there. So it keeps it where I want. And you can use the same process for a folder. So I can select the folder, I can copy it, I can go in here and paste it as well. So step 2, you're going to move all your stuff. And this is a great opportunity to do some spring cleaning, get rid of things that you don't need. You don't need if you don't need it, simply don't add it to the folder, and then you don't have to worry about it coming back over into your new laptop. So step 2 is complete. Alright, third step. Now we're going to upload our stuff. Alright, so once you're done putting all your things into your backup folder, you're going to go online. You can open the internet. You can do it one of two ways. You can go to google.com. You click on the little waffle button there, and you can go to your drive. Just make sure you're logged into your East Amwell teacher account, or you can also type the words drive.google.com. Okay, and that will take you to Drive again. Make sure you're signed into your East Amwell Google account. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go under the word New. We are going to go under Folder Upload, and then I'm going to find my folder. Okay, I know it was on my desktop, so I can click on the word Desktop, and I can find the name of that folder. There it is, Laptop Backup, and then I'm going to hit Upload. And when I do that, it's going to say, hey, do you trust this site? Do you want to upload it? Yes, I do. And then in the bottom right hand corner, it'll start talking about, or start telling you the progress of that. Again, beware that depending upon the size or how large this is, it could take a little bit. This went quick because there wasn't many things in there, but if you have tons of files, especially videos, music, it will take some time. So again, that's probably best to just let it run overnight. The one benefit going the Google method is that you can do it anywhere you have an internet connection. So unlike the network drive where you have to be in school to access it, if you upload it at school to your Google Drive and you go home with the same computer or the different computer, you will have your folder. So again, you just need internet access. So when it's done, I'm going to look under my folders, and there it is, laptop backup, and then all my files and folders are in there. Okay? And that's as simple as that. We accomplished everything that we need to. We created a folder, we moved our stuff, and then we uploaded all our items. So step 3 complete. Hope this helps. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you very much.